Hi everyone, it's Kathy and welcome back to Kathy's Happy Home and Vlogmas Day 2. Every day I'm trying to clean out a little something, straighten up a little something to get ready for the holiday season. And today I want to clean out the refrigerator. I'm sure there's things there that I don't need. Since we got the new refrigerator and it's not very deep, things don't get shoved in the back a lot, so we haven't had any science experiments. But I'm sure there's stuff we don't need in there, so let's take a look and see what we can do. Well, I'm sure there's some things here that we're going to be getting rid of. And you see, I baked 2 more pumpkin pies. And it's not going to be that hard to do. I have this to go through, but even that's not going to be too hard. I didn't get all of the top shelf done. I gotta wait till Joe is around and can reach it for me. But the rest of it wasn't hard to do at all. And so, I'm very happy. It didn't take very long either. Even the drawer is done. And the doors. Score 1 for today. It's time to do our advent calendar. And Joe's going to find number 2 for me. I think it's down at the bottom, is it?
Yeah, it's right here.
And you have to actually turn it over and knock it out to get to it. Oh, you got it.
And it's a horn.
It's a horn?
Yeah. See?
Okay. Go ahead, pop it in your mouth, Joe.
Now it's your turn. All right.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for watching day 2. And come back tomorrow for day 3 of Vlogmas. See you then.